Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step guide on exactly how to use the Temu app. So if you're maybe a beginner to using Temu, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. Or even if you have used Temu before a little bit maybe, well then this video is also going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do firstly is to of course open up our Temu app. And as you can see, I'm currently on my Temu app right here. So what we're going to do firstly right here, we can actually just scroll down and in here it will actually give us the suggestions what is currently selling a lot right now. So as you can see this message gun right here, as you can see, it has actually sold over 100,000 examples of this one right here, or 100,000 products of this one has actually already been sold on Temu. So it actually gives us like a suggestion for this product because a lot of people are buying it, right? So you can just, for example, if you're interested, you can just click on it right here and then basically check it out. But what we can also do, we can actually search in here, as you can see. So let's search for random products. I'm just going to search for TV as an example. So I'm just going to take TV right here. And I don't think that they actually do, or maybe they do actually sell some TVs right here. As you can see, I'm just going to scroll down and let's take this one as an example right here, as you can see. So as you can see, you're able to actually view this product right here by just clicking on it, of course. And then you can also select what kind of quantity that you want to be able to get from this specific product. So let's say that you're actually really interested in this specific product for some reason. Well, then what you can just do is to just click where it says add to cart, as you can see. And it has now actually added to the cart. And as you can see, we're also eligible for free shipping, which is great, as you can see. And what we can do, we can go back to this page right here, and then we can actually continue and selecting other products that we might want to be able to get. So for example, this one right here, and then I'm just going to click on add to cart, as you can see. And you can also, by the way, scroll down in here and see the estimated shipping time that it takes for this specific product. So this one right here, as you can see, it seems to be 7 to 11 business days, as you can see, which is, yeah, it's actually pretty decent, to be honest. For most products right here, you might actually need to sometimes wait a month, I've seen. But this product right here, I'm going to see, I don't know if this one was the one that I actually had. Oh, this one is also 7 to 11 business days, as you can see. So if you're done now with shopping, you can just go back and just click on your cart, as you can see. I'm going to click on this one once again, this product. As you can see, I'm able to actually view all of the dimensions in here as well. They actually provide us with that info, which is great, obviously. So what we can do, if you don't, by the way, if you are not satisfied with your shipping cart, you can always click on the minus symbol to the left of the product, as you can see. So when you do click on the minus symbol, it's just going to be removed from your cart, as you can see. And it even, as you can see, it still gives us suggestions even on the cart page itself. So if you want to, you can scroll down in here and see if there's any other product that you want to be able to get. It is surprisingly how cheap some of these products are, to be honest. So you can just scroll down and see if there's any other products that you might want to be able to be interested in maybe. But yeah, basically this is exactly how you can actually find a product on Temu, then add it to cart, and then also see what kind of delivery time it has. So this right here, as of right now, I have covered all of these steps right here for you. So I hope that you are following me as of right now, at least. So now we know exactly what kind of products that we want to be able to get. We also know the estimated shipping time, which is great. And when we feel that like everything is okay, obviously, then what you can do is to just actually, as you can see, I'm currently on my cart right here, and it says like this, that I have to actually buy a little bit more to actually be able to check out. So unfortunately for me, it says like this, I have to have at least 100 Swedish crowns, which is equivalent to about $10, I think. So I'm just going to get something more, just as an example. So let's take this one. I think this one is decent. Let's add it to cart. Click on go to cart, and now as you can see, I'm able to actually check out. So for some of you, you probably are going to get a minimum checkout like in here, as you can see. If you want to be able to try to remove the minimum checkout, by the way, you can try by doing this. I'm just going to go back. I have seen it work. Sometimes it doesn't always work, just so you know, but you can click where it says you in here, as you can see, and then you can click on support. In basically the top right corner, as you can see, it says support. You can click there and start a chat with a support agent, and what you're going to do after this is to just write to them that you want to be able to remove the minimum purchase limit, basically. So explain to them that you need to actually remove it for whatever reason that you have. Basically, maybe you don't want to be able to get anything more. You can just explain to them the exact situation, and I've seen it work sometimes, unfortunately not always. So you can always try, but if it says that it's not working for you, well then unfortunately you probably need to, I think, at least $10. For me at least it is at least $10 in here, so I guess that it's similar to basically everyone. So yeah, if you are going to get something from Temu and it's not allowing you to actually add anything under $10, you can go to support, try to explain to them the situation, and hopefully they will be able to help. And if they can't help, well then unfortunately you'll need to at least buy something for at least $10 basically, or at least get your cart to minimum $10, probably, right? So that you can actually check out. So yeah, so I'm just going to click on cart here once again, and now when we're done and when we feel like everything is okay, I'm just going to click on checkout right here. So now what you're going to do now, it's a very important step. You're going to select your country in here, as you can see, and make sure that your name is consistent with your ID card. As you can see, that is very important, so that you don't actually write anything wrong in here. So write your first name like exactly how it is, then your last name, then the street name and house number, as you can see, and make sure that everything in here is correct. And obviously the country needs to be correct as well, otherwise they're going to maybe ship to a random country and you will not be able to get your item, just so you know. So make sure that everything here is correct. You will also need to add your postal code, your city, and also your mobile phone number, as you can see, because they will of course send you, not only I think they will send you the order confirmation via email, and also maybe via your mobile phone number, I think, and also via your mobile phone number they will also send you the notifications about the shipping. So when the shipping has arrived, at least me myself, I did get an SMS with like shipping is here or your item is here. You're now able to actually pick it up at like the nearest like shop, basically. So I had to go to a shop and then show them that I have a package from Temu, and then they gave me that package basically, and I got that from my mobile. Basically I got like a notification from an SMS from Temu, and it said that I have a package now that is delivered. I was quite surprised because I didn't know that it will come to my mobile. And basically I was able to now know that the shipping has arrived. So make sure that your phone number here is correct, and make sure that everything is correct obviously in here as well, otherwise it will not work. Something will you will not be able to pick the package up. So for like double check everything basically. That's what I'm trying to say to you. So double check so that all of the details here is correct, and then click on save. And after that, when you have clicked on save, you will go to the next page. Well, I think the next page is going to be the payment method. So you need to actually make sure that the payment method that you're going to use is correct as well. Otherwise, you will not be able to purchase something. And I'm not sure if they offer invoice. I think they do. I think I was able to get it like a Temu invoice, but I'm not 100% sure because it was a couple of weeks ago that I actually placed a Temu order, and it wasn't for that much money, so I don't remember exactly. But you can double check and see if you actually have the invoice like option. Maybe that's a good option because you can just pay when you have actually received the item and everything is okay basically. But that is exactly how to use the Temu app.